Jet B fuel is roughly kerosene by volume. A 30. B 90. C 50. D 45. The correct answer is 30. Jet fuel is dispensed from a nozzle having a rectangular opening larger than diagonally. A 89. B 100. C 60. D 25. The correct answer is 60. Jet fuel contains sulfur up to A 1,000 ppm, B 10,000 ppm, C 200 ppm, D 20,000 ppm. The correct answer is 1,000 ppm. What is the flash point of Jet A? A 18C, B 10C, C 58C, D 38C. The correct answer is 38C. Landing gear was previously referred to as A. alighting gear, B. resting gear, C. moving gear, D. rolling gear. The correct answer is alighting gear. Which of the following is not an internal tank? A. bladder tank, B. integral tank, C. conformal fuel tank, D. tip tank. The correct answer is conformal fuel tank. Landing gears fold away during the flight to reduce A. drag, B. thrust, C. airspeed, D. altitude. The correct answer is drag. What is the NATO code for JP5? A. F50, B. F44, C. J44, D. J50. The correct answer is F44. Which of the following is military jet fuel? A. Jet B, B. Jet A, C. JP1, D. Jet A1. The correct answer is JP1. Jet A1 is similar to A. JP1, B. JP5, C. JP8, D. JP4. The correct answer is JP8. External tanks are common on modern aircraft. A. relief, B. business, C. commercial, D. military. The correct answer is military. Which of the following was the first airline to operate a commercial flight on a 50-50 blend of synthetic gas to liquid jet fuel and conventional jet fuel? A. Air New Zealand, B. Delta Airlines, C. Air India, D. Qatar Airways. The correct answer is Qatar Airways. Landing gear systems are the of an aircraft. A. left carriage, B. overcarriage, C. undercarriage, D. right carriage. The correct answer is undercarriage. What is the full form of VTOL? A. virtual takeoff and landing, B. vertical takeoff and landing, C. viscous takeoff and landing, D. vernier takeoff and landing. The correct answer is vertical takeoff and landing. Integral fuel tanks are also called as A. wet wings, B. essential fuel tanks, C. dynamic wings, D. stationary wings. The correct answer is wet wings. The landing gear supports the aircraft when it is flying. A. false, B. true, C. D. The correct answer is false. Around 30% of the worldwide consumption of jet fuel is in the United States. A. false, B. true, C. D. The correct answer is true. In an aircraft the wing tanks are used preferentially. A. false, B. true, C. D. The correct answer is true. The JP7 was developed for the SR-71 Blackbird. A. false, B. true, C. D. The correct answer is true.